Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So this makeup look is going to be my anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. And no, hindi po ako bitter. It's just that na-inspire lang talaga ako kay Nikki Tutorials kasi gumawa siya ng anti-Valentine's Day look nga at sobrang nabonggahan ako. So I made my own version pero nilagyan ko lang ng konting twist. So dito naglalagay na ako ng foundation at pina-fast forward ko na yung part na to kasi ito yung usual na nakikita nyo na sa mga previous makeup tutorials ko. Paglagay ng foundation, concealer, powder, pagkikilay. So naka-fast forward na siya. Lalagay ko na lang yung products dyan sa screen or ilalagay ko naman lahat dun sa information box ng products na ginamit ko sa makeup look na to. Next, we're going to take my Zoeva Warm Spectrum palette. Taking that taupe shade, gagamitin natin yan as our transition color. Next, I'm taking this Sleek Makeup eyeshadow palette, and this in the palette Vintage Romance. At unang eyeshadow na ginagamit ko dyan ay yung Bliss in Barcelona. That is a purple shade. So, nilalagay ko siya sa outer and inner corner ng aking mata kasi gagawa tayo ng halo eyes today. Ayan. Of course, don't forget to blend the harsh edges. The next shade I'm taking is Romance in Rome. So, this is like a bluish purple shade. Lalagay ko yan dun sa ibabaw ng Bliss in Barcelona para magkaroon ng konting depth pa yung eye makeup look natin. And then next, I'm taking the TV Paint Stick from Kryolan and I'm going to apply that on the middle part of my lids para maging eyeshadow base natin. So, mas kakapit yung next eyeshadow na gagamitin natin kaya ako naglagay niyan. Next, I'm taking the shade Mary in Monte Carlo. So, it's like a magenta, satin magenta eyeshadow. And applying it like so. Nakikita niyo sa video. And then, of course, don't forget to blend it dun sa outer and inner corner nyo para magkaroon ng transition or gradient effect. Next, we're going to take that black shade from my Zoeva Warm Spectrum palette. Lalagay nyo lang siya dun sa outer and inner corner as well. But don't forget to blend it out para hindi naman siya ganyan ka-harsh. Pero we're aiming for a heavy and sexy eye makeup look since it's anti-Valentine's Day. So ayan, I'm just blending everything with my favorite E25 Sigma brush. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bones using that cream shade from my Zoeva Warm Spectrum palette as well. And then, I'm going to take the shade Pretty in Paris dun sa Sleek Eye Makeup eye palette ko. Lalagay ko yan dun sa gitna ng lids ko para mas ma-highlight pa. Next, I'm taking my Sleek Ula Liner in the shade Black. We're going to apply that on the lower lash lines at dun sa ating waterline. And also taking that up dun sa ating upper lash lines at dun sa inner rims as well. Para, mas maging sexy yung ating eyes. Kaya, all the way around, naglalagay tayo ng black eyeliner. And then next, we're just going to smudge that eyeliner dun sa lower lash lines muna. Gumagamit ako ng smudger brush. And then, I'm going to take the same shade Bliss in Barcelona. Apply natin yan sa ibabaw ng ating smudged black eyeliner. Next, we're going to take the same Mary in Monte Carlo shade, applying that on the inner thirds of our lower lash lines. And then next, we're taking the black eyeshadow from the Zoeva Warm Spectrum palette. I'm going to apply that on the outer thirds of the lower lash lines, like so. Next, ini-smudge ko lang yung ating eyeliner sa upper lash lines. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Eyeliner and we're going to create a winged eyeliner para sa ating sexy cat eye makeup look. Then next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply my favorite mascara by Etude House. Yan yung Curl Fix mascara. So, piniprep ko lang yung eyelashes ko before nating ilagay yung ating false eyelashes. So, here I'm just pinching the tips of my lower lashes para mawala yung mga clumps. And then, after applying the falsies, nalagyan ko pa rin siya ng mascara para mag-merge yung aking natural and false eyelashes. At ang ginamit ko naman ngayon ay yung Maybelline The Falsies. Next, we're taking this Sleek Makeup Face Form Palette para sa ating pag-contour, pag-apply ng blush, at pag-highlight. So, don't forget to contour your temples as well and your jawlines. Pero ayan, naglalagay muna ako ng Vicin kasi medyo namumula na yung eyes ko. So, continue lang sa pag-contour ng jawlines. Diba? And of course, don't forget to contour your nose para magkaroon ng dimension lalo na sa pagpipicture. And then, I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose and the nose bridge at dun sa gitna ng ating kilay. And also highlighting my upper lips and dun sa ating cupid's bow. And here, I'm just applying the blush from the same Sleek Face Form palette. Onto the lips, ang gagamitin ko yung Matte in Detail Liquid Lipsticks. At ang unang shade na ginagamit natin dito ay yung shade na Catherine. So, it's like a vampy red shade. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply the shade Samantha. So, this is a, dark brown matte liquid lipstick. And I really, really love the combination of this. And that's it for this sexy anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. So, ayan, kitang-kita mo sexy yung effect niya. Parang galit na galit tayo sa mga Valentine's Day. Pero hindi tayo dyan natatapos kasi meron pa akong surprise sa inyo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong twist na ginawa ko sa anti-Valentine's Day makeup look ko. So, no, this is not for Halloween. Pero yan lang yung naisip kong gawin kasi nakita ko siya sa Google. So, ginaya ko lang. And it's been a while since gumawa ako ng special effects makeup. So, here, I'm just, tinanggal ko muna yung false eyelashes ko. And I'm using this liquid latex from Graftobian. And nagagamit lang tayo ng strips ng tissue paper. So, kailangan yung manipis lang ng tissue paper, no? And then, didikit nyo muna siya dun sa liquid latex and then, tsaka nyo na lang, what do you call this? Punitin yung mga excess na tissue paper sa gilid. Ayan. So, after nyong malagay yung liquid latex at yung tissue paper nyo, punit-punitin nyo siya ng kunyari, para kunyari yung parang napunit yung balat nyo, parang nawakwak yung balat nyo. So, ganun lang yung ginawa ko, pinunit-punit ko lang siya. And then, here, pinapatungan ko na siya ng aking TV paint stick para magmukhang kulay balat na din siya. At sobrang ganda ng TV paint stick kasi ang ganda talaga ng coverage niya. Here, I'm just going to apply cotton or bulak para magkaroon ng texture pagka nilagay na natin yung fake blood natin para magmukhang totoo yung ating sugat. Para magmukhang realistic siya. So, nilalagay ko muna yung liquid latex and then nilalagyan ko ng bulak. Paunti-unti lang, parang dinadampi ko lang yung bulak kung paano nyo nakikita ginagawa ko dyan sa screen para hindi sobrang kapal yung bulak na nilalagay natin. And then for the fake blood, para sa ating fake wound, ang gagamitin ko lang sa lahat ay mga lip colors, lip creams, liquid lipsticks, ayan. So, ang ginagamit ko muna ay yung parang dark red or vampy red from my Avon lip palette. And then here, I'm taking my Everbilena liquid lipstick in the shade Fire Opal para yan yung magsisilbing pinaka-fresh blood natin. Kasi yung shade niya parang scarlet red, parang ganun siya. Then, ilalagay ko lang siya dun sa gitna. So, yung mga dark na kulay ng lip color or ng red lip color, yun yung ilalagay natin sa gilid para magmukhang malalim yung sugat. And then, sa gitna, dun yung mga lighter shade ng red. So, here I'm taking the darkest lip color na ginamit ko sa sugat na to. At ang gamit ko dyan yung NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Transylvania para magmukhang mas malalim pa yung sugat natin. And ayan, nilagay ko na ulit yung contact lens ko. And then, just applying, finishing touches, mga iba't ibang shade ng red lip color. And ayun na, tapos na. So, sana nasundan nyo yung paggawa ko ng fake wound na yan. And I really hope that you like this makeup look. Sobrang nag-enjoy akong gawin to. Sana na-enjoy nyo din siyang panoorin. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you in the next video, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!